Want to skyrocket your eBay sales? Let's talk about how to rank higher on eBay. First, keywords are crucial. Use specific ones related to your item. Why keywords? They help buyers find your listing. Think like a buyer. What words would they type? Use those exact words in your title and description. Optimize your titles. eBay loves clear, detailed titles. Example: vintage leather jacket brown, size medium. Be specific and to the point. Descriptions matter. Describe your item in detail. Mention the brand, size, condition, and any unique features. Make it easy for buyers to understand. Photos can make or break your listing. Use high-quality images. Show the item from multiple angles. Clear pictures build trust and attract buyers. Listing duration can influence visibility. Use good till canceled for a steady presence. This keeps your item visible longer and increases chances of a sale. Promote your listings. eBay's promoted listings can boost your visibility. More eyes on your item mean more potential sales. Give it a try. Feedback matters. Respond to buyers quickly and professionally. Positive feedback boosts your reputation and helps your listings rank higher. Use eBay's analytics tools. They provide insights into your listing's performance. Adjust your strategy based on what works best. Consider pricing strategy. Competitive pricing can attract more buyers. Research similar items and price yours accordingly to stay competitive. Offer free shipping. It's a major incentive for buyers. Many prefer listings with free shipping. It can improve your ranking and sales. Use item specifics. eBay's search algorithm favors listings with complete item specifics. Fill them out accurately for better visibility. Stay active on eBay. Regularly check your listings, update them if needed, and list new items frequently. Activity boosts your visibility. Respond to questions quickly. Fast responses show good customer service. It can lead to positive feedback and higher rankings. Use templates for your listings. Consistency helps buyers understand your listings better. It also saves you time in creating new listings. Bundle items for sale. Bundled items can attract more buyers. It's a great way to increase your sales and boost your ranking. Use eBay's SEO tips. eBay provides SEO tips to help you rank higher. Follow their advice to improve your listing visibility. Offer returns. Buyers feel more confident purchasing from sellers who accept returns. It can boost your sales and ranking. Check out eBay's best match algorithm. Understanding how it works can help you create better listings. The better your listings, the higher they rank. Use social media to promote your eBay listings. Share your items on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. More exposure means more potential sales. Participate in eBay's community. Engage in forums and discussions. Learn from other sellers and share your experiences. It's a great way to improve your strategy. Keep your inventory updated. Remove sold items and update listings regularly. Fresh listings are more attractive to buyers. Create detailed shipping policies. Clear policies build buyer trust. They can also improve your feedback and ranking. Stay updated with eBay's policies. Knowing the rules helps you avoid penalties and keep your listings in good standing. Use variations in your listings. If you sell items in different sizes or colors, use variations. It's easier for buyers to find what they're looking for. Offer multiple payment options. More payment choices can attract more buyers. It can also make the purchasing process smoother. Write compelling descriptions. Use adjectives that highlight your item's best features. Pin a picture for your buyers. Keep an eye on your competition. Learn from top sellers in your category. Adopt their best practices to improve your listings. Consider using eBay stores. Having a store can increase your visibility and provide additional tools for managing your listings. Ready to rank higher? Apply these tips and watch your eBay sales soar. Happy selling!